I'm sorry, but I don't know who would get these kind of tattoos. They look absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Honestly, the answer is me. I would get them. But I'm scared, so I got a little thing. I got a fake tattoo. And it is for my neck. My back. Okay, so today we're gonna try this on. Now, is it possible to bung this up? Probably not, but if someone would bung it up, it's me. Okay, let's place it somewhere. Of course, I already ripped it. But I put a band-aid on it. This is metaphorical for everything that goes wrong with my life. Just slap a band-aid on. Okay, I'm going to try to center it. I have the sponge. And let's go. Oh! How am I this stupid? I should have done this in a tub. I mean, the damage is already done. Oh, I think oh no! Okay, let's see how it looks. Ooh. I'm super careful. Now, how I managed to not screw this up. It looks really good. Is it just me? Does it look bad? Damn, bestie. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit. I also had this nose ring at home, so I thought it would be appropriate. Why does it look so good? This is tempting me. By the way, this is probably stuck in my nose forever because... how is it this stuck? We are gonna fix this oopsie right here. You already know we gotta do the lenses. Oh my god, what is this? And this is the finished makeover. This looks dangerously good. Someone stop me from getting this. Please stop me.